bird distracted.
Okay. Hey guys, what's going on? Beast like Bentley here on a very cloudy Sunday afternoon. We're at our church, GCC, and before we teach our move class, we're going to be teaching Bentley how to have more control while there's a lot of distractions outside. So, here we go.
You ready? Cue. Cue. Go. Hey. Hi. Cue. Every time you pull, you're gonna stop. Every time you pull, stop and tell me cue. Yes. Good boy. You ready? Hey, you ready? Yeah? Okay. No, no pulling. Cue. Cue.
All right, guys, so trying to get Bentley to be more controlled outside with all these distractions, as you can see, was definitely an epic failure. One thing that we did not do or did not have was a high value treat. To Bentley, he really likes fruit. So we just used his typical treats for this one, and it clearly didn't work. So next time, we're gonna try something different, something that he craves a lot. So as you can see, it's really hard to walk down the outside because there's so many distractions, whether it's a cat, a bird, maybe a leaf, or just a random thing that he finds on the floor. The one thing that's very important here when trying to control your dog out in public is you have to have a high value treat. We're just using some basic treats here. It's clearly not working. So stay tuned for next episode where we might introduce him with some apples or oranges.